Hi everyone, Tracy and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching me. Guys, today's video I am going to show you how to do a facelift at home in 30 minutes with this mask right here. So this mask is by OIA and this one is a V-shaped lifting face mask. It's a mask that you actually need to leave it on for like about 20 minutes and then you actually see more defined jawline, and it's also getting rid of the double chin. My concerns is actually just to get a little bit more defined jaw, to make it a little bit more snatched. So you guys, I'm going today to review this one, to try it on, to see how it actually works, and I'm going to leave it on for like about 30 minutes. I'm also going to do a very minty makeup look. Like you see, I'm in the minty mood. So yeah, so all we need to do is just to get started. I just want to say that I've never tried this brand before. It's actually my first time trying them. So today I'm just gonna give you an honest review. But I just want to let you know that I read about it a little bit and I just know that you can use it about 15 to 20 times. So that is actually a really good mask, because if you can reapply it for the next 15 to 20 times, that's actually worth it. So I'm just gonna go and apply it on my face, but I just want to let you know, you guys, that you have to make sure that you wash your face before you do this, that your face clean and dry. And that's it. Right now it's actually time to go and try the mask. That is the mask right here. Basically that is like just so easy, because you just need to put it on, you stretch it, and then you put it on your hair. So that is like so cool, and I'm so excited to try it. So basically what we're going to do is just to get rid of this side. So we have the wet side, which is this one, that we're going to put it on the skin, and I'm just gonna go and take it off. From here I'm just gonna go and stretch the mask and just put it on my chin and to put it behind my hairs. I guess this mask right here is just like so good for people who actually have concerns like double chin, or they want to get a little bit more of defined jawline. And I don't like surgery, so things like that is just like so perfect. I just want to let you know that this mask right here, you can actually use it in two ways. One way is actually straight when you wake up in the morning or before you do the makeup, just to give it a little bit refresh. The next way is actually before you're going to sleep. So I feel like this mask right here is just like so useful, and I'm so excited to see the results. Alright, so right now it's actually time to do my makeup, and damn, that is so weird to talk with this, but I guess that we don't have any choice. Alrighty, right now I am going to do my eye makeup. So because I'm in the minty mood right here, I guess that I'm also going to do a mint eye makeup tutorial. This eye primer is by Anastasia Beverly Hills and it's basically based for the eyes. I really like using this one because I just feel like it just makes all the colors that I put on top of it really pigmented. So I'm just gonna go and put just a little bit on my eyes. Go and apply it on my eye. So for my eyes, I'm actually going to use the Meant to Be eyeshadow palette by Woloג, and I'm just gonna go and use these colors right here because they actually match my outfit really good. So I'm gonna go and use this shade right here as a base. This one called Seltzer, and I just like to go and use it as a base. And for my eye tone color, I'm gonna use this shade right here. I'm just gonna go and just apply it on my outer corner. And then I'm just gonna go and blend everything together. For my eyelid, I'm gonna use the Minty, and I'm just gonna go and apply it on my eyelid, just like right here. And for my inner corner, I'm gonna use the Mojito Mami, and I'm just gonna go and apply it right here in my inner corner. Alrighty, and right now it's actually time to go do my other eye, pop some eyelashes, and I'm gonna be right back. And after I did my other eye, I did my eyelashes, my eyeliner, right now it's time to reveal the results. So I'm just gonna go and check it out. Wow, that is actually looking really good. My jaw just looks like much more snatched. And alrighty, right now it's time to actually do my full face makeup, and I will be right back. Alrighty guys, so right now it's actually time to talk about the mask and to give you my own opinion. So after I've tried it, I definitely see that there is a change. Like I can notice that the jaw just looks much more defined. I definitely got rid of the little double chin that I had before, and I definitely like it. I think that this product is just like so great, especially because you can use it at the morning and night, you know, when you're doing your makeup. And I just feel like this one is just like so nice. And you also have right now 50% off, so you can get it for $29, and you have 5 masks in one mask. And it's just like so worth it because one mask you actually can reapply for like about 15 to 20 times. So that is like so useful, and I definitely think that it's just like so good. Thank you guys for watching me. If you're new here, just make sure to subscribe my channel and press on the button right here so make sure not to miss any of my future content. And I will see you in my next video soon. Bye bye.